Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. A warning was issued with the wet and windy conditions on the way for parts of the United Kingdom. Northern areas in the United Kingdom will be wettest, especially the northwest, while the south will be the driest. A yellow rainfall warning has been issued by the Met Office for the Western Scotland, lasting until 9 pm on Monday. Some 20 to 40 millimeters is expected there, with the 75 millimeters possible. It will be windy at times too, especially in the west. Temperatures will be around average by a day, a little above the south on Monday and Thursday, when it will be warm at night too. The unsettled westerly flow is likely to continue into the middle of the August, with best chance of drier and warmer conditions in the south. Looking further ahead, there is a signal for the blocked weather patterns to develop in late August, and that could lead to hot spells and thunderstorms. A yellow weather warning has been issued for the parts of Scotland with the heavy rainfall and winds expected. It covers western, central and southwestern Scotland, with higher levels of the rainfall expected in some areas. Rainfall of around 20 to 40 millimeters is expected, with the levels around 50 to 75 millimeters expected in the areas of higher grounds. The Met Office warns spraying and flooding on the roads may make journey times longer. Buses and trains may also be impacted, with the journey times affected. There is also a possibility of the flooding of a few homes, businesses, and campsites. Environmental Agency issued flood alerts due to the expected heavy rain in United Kingdom. And that's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News.